Well, welcome my fellow travelers. Your traveling buddy here, coming to you today from San Antonio, Texas. And I just got done doing the Alamo, but there's another famous attraction here that we all wanted to do. The famous River Walk. So let's go check out the River Walk. Travel with me, will you? This is the world famous area of River Walk. This shows you a picture of the Alamo, because the Alamo is right across the street. And this is the area. And something right here. Let's see, what's this? This wall foundation of adobe bricks formed part of the Indian quarters built during the construction of the west wall of the mission, San Antonio. The Alvera, the Alamo, is about 1750 during the siege of the Alamo. Oh, so there's a piece of the wall down there. There's a feather down there too. That's cool. So we are. There's Mitzi down there. This is Gator. There, we're all going down to the river walk. Look at this waterfall they got here. Excuse me. Look at that. That's beautiful. Looks refreshing right now too. Wow, look at this. That's beautiful. Look at that. Almost makes you want to jump in, don't it? Woo!
Wow, everybody, this is so beautiful. Makes you want to dip your feet in and relax.
Oh look, there's ducks. There's ducks down here. Look at these ducks swimming around in here. Almost what makes you want to jump in, don't it?
Yep. I was saying it's like the carnival. Pick a duck up in the water and see what number they are.
I don't know if you heard that. Sean says it's like the carnival thing. Pick up the duck, see if there's a number underneath it. Go ahead, Sean. I dare you. Dare you, Sean. I'm daring you. This mural has the Alamo. Church. That is cool. My God, guys. I don't know if you know who this is. If anybody's watched this guy, that's Benny Hill. I know that's Benny Hill. That is Benny Hill. Oh my God, I got a statue of Benny Hill here. That is cool.
Look at Benny Hill.
That's Benny Hill. I will say, as far as I know about, the river walk here, it's basically restaurants and bars and stuff like that. But it's still cool to see it. Even got one of those locks of love things, bridges here, with the locks on. Right, outside again, look at this duck here. Beautiful duck. Right here on the big river, there's supposed to be a boat ride that goes on here too. So there's a map of what the river looks like, how far it goes. As you can see, this is basically like restaurants and stores, places of entertainment. But it is beautiful.
I love your hair. Purple's my favorite color.
This restaurant here, they had this one in Pigeon, or actually Gatlinburg, Last Resort, Dick's Last Resort. You can see these people got a paper bag on their head, and they're very rude and stuff like that. The employees, that's what to do. This is cool. Look at, there's some more ducks. Just chilling out here. Guys, there's a snake. There's a little water snake. Look at it. It's a water snake right here. See him?
Right here. Ooh.
This goes on a while. Look at it. It's a good size. Oh, here comes the boat. There's the boat. Ducks are running for a cover.
Yep, it just sucked the duck up.
On the other side of the river, that's where we were just at. Over there. Yeah, it's at a bunch of restaurants. There's also some other stuff out here. Saw something from the other side I want to check out. This is truly a beautiful area. I mean, yeah, there's a bunch of shops, but it'd be nice to just sit down and relax out here. See some ducks. Pretty cool. On one of these bridges to get a good look at the river. Look at that. Beautiful. It's the other side. It's another one of those boats. Check this out. Got some metal art over here. Got some those guys in a mariachi band. That is cool. There's a nice fountain right here too. Alright, my fellow travelers, that's going to be about it for this little tour of the world famous Riverwalk here in San Antonio, Texas. You know, always wanted to check it out. It's just a bunch of shops and stuff like that, but it's cool to even get down here. But unfortunately I lost control my friends and all that. I got to catch up with them, then we're gonna go explore some other stuff. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share me out. Share me out on other social media. Tell your friends, tell your family about me, so I can continue traveling and showing you cool stuff like this. Also, leave me a comment. Any comments appreciated. Any ideas for me to do? Let me know. I just might show up and do it. So until next time, my fellow travelers, you have a blessed day.
Thank you.